What is going on, everybody? Welcome to a new series here on my channel, Acne Friendly Recipes. So these are gonna be meals that you can make that are quick, easy, delicious, but are also good for your acne. Yeah, they literally are going to improve your acne. Now, I'm somebody who has had a ton of acne in the past. Roll the B-roll footage because I used to have cysts all over my face, and I've tried a ton of different stuff. So I know what really does work and some stuff that really doesn't work. And I know a lot of people, I've seen it in my comments before. I know a lot of people are already saying it. I've tried all the different foods and stuff, and it doesn't make an impact on my acne. Now, something that I absolutely know is that acne is multi-factored. So if you floss your teeth, but then you don't brush your teeth and you drink a bunch of coffee, there's no way that your teeth are gonna be perfect and white. There are multiple factors when it comes to acne, and food is one of them. So today I'm gonna be showing you one of my favorite meals right now. It is a Mexican salsa bowl. It is absolutely delicious and it's super easy to make. So let's just jump right into the recipe right now. So we're gonna start by putting 1.5 cups of pre-cooked brown rice on a plate. You can make this in big batches and store it in your fridge. That way you don't have to remake rice every single time. We're gonna top that with 1 cup of lentils, or it can be any type of bean. It can be straight out of the can, black bean, pinto bean, whatever bean you wanna do. So after you have these two on the plate, microwave it for about a minute or two so that they are hot. Then we're going to top that with 1/2 cup of guacamole. This can be homemade if you like making your own recipes, or it can be store-bought. Just make sure it doesn't have dairy in it. And then you're just going to top that with a few tablespoons of salsa. Again, homemade or not, doesn't matter. And that is literally it. It's whole food. It's delicious. I mean, it's really good, and it's got a good amount of protein. You can even add hot sauce on top of it if you want to. This baby is literally perfect. Okay, now they've actually proven with scientific studies that there are foods that cause acne and there are foods that improve acne. Now in this series, I wanna help educate you why each ingredient is acne friendly and will help improve your acne. That way you can start to understand the ingredients that go into any meal, and then you can make any meal you want and you'll basically understand a bit more. That's my goal. So let's break down each of the ingredients that's in this meal and why it's good for your acne. Brown rice. Now this is a complex carb, which means it breaks down into blood sugar slower. Things that raise your blood sugar quickly also raise your insulin quickly, and that causes acne. So we want to stay away from those. Next up, lentils or beans. These are high in protein, but they're low in an amino acid called leucine, which is really high in meats and dairy, and that causes acne by raising something in your body called IGF-1. Lentils and beans are also high in prebiotic fiber, which is really good for gut health, which also improves your acne. Now the guacamole, which you can home make, I just mash an avocado with a few tablespoons of salsa and some salt together, but you can get it at the store as long as it doesn't have dairy, because that does cause acne. Now avocados are made from good fat, so they have omega-3s, and omega-3s are also something that have been proven to be good for acne. And finally, salsa, again, you can home make it or buy it, but they have tomatoes, limes, onions, and cilantro, all of which are really high in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. And cilantro is absolutely fantastic at removing toxic metals from your blood. Now this is an uber easy recipe. It's really delicious, and I do want to show you guys recipes that are easy to make because I know not everybody loves to cook, but it is really powerful to know how to make your own food, because then you can be in control of what you're eating. And obviously everybody knows that vegetables can have a really good impact on your acne, but in this series I want to explain the individual ingredients other than just having as many vegetables as possible that are good for your acne. So I hope that's what I did in this meal. Now if you are somebody who is dealing with acne and you're trying to figure it out, you should check out my acne program. It's called the Acne Method. Tons of people have already gone through the method and have gotten rid of their acne, so it's definitely worth a shot. And also it has other acne friendly recipes in there, so if you're looking for more, they are in there. It's theacnemethod.com. And if you're looking for my favorite skincare brand of all time, it is Banish, and they have proven scientific ingredients in there, and they have ingredients in their products that are proven scientifically to improve acne that is mild to moderate, and also massively improve skin texture and acne scarring. So if you have any of that kind of stuff, definitely check out Banish. You use my code, it's all caps Brian5 for $5 off an order of $35 or more. Check that out. I'll put the link to both of those things in the description below. If you guys enjoyed this, let me know so I can make more of these videos, because I definitely only want to make them if you guys want to watch them. So let me know in the comments comments below. If you enjoyed this, of course, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Remember, you are not alone. You are beautiful and you are part of Team Acne. I'll see you skin bosses in the very next video.